Creating a majestic rooftop garden of red roses begins with selecting the right varieties. For success in containers and warm, humid climates, it is essential to choose heat-tolerant, disease-resistant, and compact bushes like Mr. Lincoln or hardy Floribundas. The foundation for these plants is a large, deep container of at least 15 inches, ensuring the roof structure can safely support the considerable weight. This vessel should be filled with a rich, well-draining soil mix, typically composed of garden soil, compost, coco peat, and perlite, enhanced with bone meal for nutrients. The ideal planting time is during the stable weather following the monsoon season. When planting, the bud union at the base of the stems must be positioned just above the soil level to prevent rot. Once established, rooftop roses thrive in the abundant direct sunlight, requiring at least 6 hours daily. However, this exposure demands a rigorous watering schedule. Deep watering at the soil base is crucial to keep the roots hydrated while minimizing foliar diseases. As heavy feeders, roses require regular fertilization throughout the growing season. Proactive care is key for pest and disease management, with neem oil serving as an excellent preventative measure. Finally, the simple practices of seasonal pruning and consistent deadheading of spent blossoms are the secrets to encouraging a continuous, regal display of vibrant red flowers.